Hi everyone, Ms Mika here. I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to colour my magical chocolate factory scene using watercolour pencils. You can see here that my pencil lines are lightly drawn, they're not too dark, and I haven't added a lot of detail because I thought I could do that with the coloured pencils. My magical edible tree is going to be filled with candy. So I'm going to do that with colours rather than draw it all with lead pencil. This is my chocolate waterfall, so I haven't really drawn the waterfall lines yet, which will be through here. I've got some lollipops that are giant lollipops. I might do some little mushrooms. I've got some little flowers here that will be edible. And this is going to be my candy cane bridge that you could lick all the candy cane, the peppermint bridge. So I'm going to play with this with watercolor, but just let me show you. I'm going to use the brown chocolate river to just show you how it's quite a big area. So I'm just going to draw, oops, I just broke the pencil. I'm just going to draw some lines that would represent this brown river. And then I'm just going to shade, and I guess I could color very lightly, color some of the area. You can see I'm leaving a lot of white space. Just color. I'm going to press a bit harder where I want the patterns to be. And the magic with watercolor is that you don't have to color everything in pencil, because these watercolors are activated with water and they spread. Look how when I add water with my brush that the white turns to the color of the pencil. Isn't that nice? Now I can't draw back on here because it's wet paper and I'll tear it. So I can only draw on the white area. Now in this part of the river, again, it's a chocolate river, so I can outline and go over those lines. I can add lots of river streaks. Okay, being really careful. I can then shade some of the area. Okay, you can see I'm just gently and lightly scribbling it. It doesn't take me too long. And I'm going to add a bit of dark purple into here. Maybe, whoops, maybe my chocolate is a little bit velvety. I think sometimes adding different colors can really help. Okay, let's add water and see what that looks like. Are you ready? So I add the water. Wow, look at the change. So you dip your brush into the water to get enough water. If I just keep rubbing my page in the same spot, it won't work very well. But you can see here that the water activates the paint that's in the pencil. A really important thing, some people think it's fun to dip their pencils in the water. That's a really bad idea. You will ruin the pencil, and this is wood here and it will go rotten and you'll break your pencil. So we do not want to get the pencils wet. Instead we use our brush like an artist to spread the paint that's inside the watercolor pencil. Okay, I might need to, when this is dry, use a little bit of purple up here. Okay, and that's how we do it. If this is my grass, maybe I want to shade this roughly like this, because that will give me a bit of texture, and maybe I can draw some really cool little shapes in here. The table is rocking around, and let's see what happens. Maybe I can blend another color in there. What would go? Maybe I want a bit more of a purple edge. Oops, different purple. Maybe I want some little flowers in here along the edge of the river. Maybe I could add some yellow into the grass a bit to make it more vibrant, like candy grass, edible grass. Dip, wipe your brush, and then blend. Have a look at how it transforms. So it's a much quicker way of coloring and adding color to your artwork. See how it spreads? Nice. And there you go. So there's your tips. There's your tips for creating watercolor, how you shade and create lines, and they don't have to be fully coloured. The water will spread and do the work. Have fun, everybody. Be as imaginative and creative as you can. Bye.